We're gonna start from the top down, all right? So get a prying tool. Mine's already, because of the dash is warped, I don't need it. But come towards the middle right here, and you're gonna have some clips that are gonna come out just like that. All right. Now yours is gonna have a couple of connectors right here. Make sure you take these connectors out, and then it's gonna have a couple of connectors down here. Make sure you take these connectors out. So I'm pressing in, removing, pressing in, removing, and that is how you remove your center bezel. All right. Now it's time to get to your radio. So it's being held by 4 screws. Mine happen to be Phillips. So I got my Phillips screwdriver right here. And we're gonna take these out real quick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward, just unscrewing these 4. All right, so with your screws removed, you should be able to just pull, just like that. Now yours may be the stock one, but we have an aftermarket radio. So you disconnect the antenna, and we disconnect the plugs back here. So let's do that. Oops, sorry for the camera work. Focus on looking at what I'm doing. All right, there we go. Now we have all these wiring exposed, which shouldn't scare you. Put this to the side, put that to the side. Don't lose any of that stuff, of course. Make sure none of these wires are in the way. And then our next step, well, that's how you remove the radio on a Chrysler 300 Dodge Charger. That's how to remove the front bezel and radio on a Chrysler 300 Dodge Charger 2005 to 2010. Okay. Next thing is the bottom part right here. I'm gonna remove this. Let's move this out of the way. And this is just clips in, so pull out. It sounded a little aggressive, but it wasn't. And then you're probably gonna need a screwdriver to disconnect this thing. If you can't push down and disconnect, let's try. Push down and disconnect. Oh, that worked. Cool. So move that to the side, don't lose it. And now you have exposed your dash right here.